Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Wipster to manage video approvals with clients, detailed guide step by step clearly. To update Wipster for managing video approvals with clients, begin by logging into your Wipster account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you can see your projects. Select the project that contains the video you want to update. Click on the video thumbnail to open the video details page. On the video details page, look for the settings icon or tab, usually located in the upper right corner. Click on the settings icon to access various customization options. In the settings menu, locate the approval workflows section. Click on approval workflows to modify how you collect feedback from clients. If there are existing workflows, you can edit them or create a new one by clicking Add New Workflow. To create a new workflow, specify the steps for clients. After defining the steps, set deadlines for approvals to ensure timely feedback. Once you have customized the workflow to your preferences, click Save to apply the changes. Next, return to the video details page to update the sharing options for your clients. Find the Share button, typically located near the video preview. Click on Share to generate a unique link that you can send to clients. In the sharing options, ensure you include access to the approval workflow you just created. Copy the link and draft an email to your client, explaining how to access the video. Be sure to include any necessary instructions on how they can provide feedback. Once your client receives the link, ask them to review the video and leave comments directly on the platform. Monitor the feedback through the Wipster interface as it comes in. Make any necessary edits based on the feedback you receive. When revisions are complete, repeat the approval process if additional feedback is needed. Finally, mark the project as complete once all approvals are finalized. This approach will streamline your video approval process, ensuring clear communication. Now you're ready to manage video approvals efficiently with Wipster. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.